Hello, good morning. This is April the 16th and the house is finished. There's just a couple of little bits of work that have to be done, little bits of painting to be touched up, etc, etc. The clients have been here and they spent a few days here. They're going to be coming back in June to live full time, and so there's just some furnishings waiting from the interior designer. So as we can see today, the pool, magnificent. We have a trough which we actually purposely made this wide so you can actually use it as a swimming lane if you wanted. Beautiful ocean views today. That's quite stunning. So we're going to take you around and just show you some bits of the house. We've had the gardens nicely landscaped. And of course, give this about a month or so and these flowers will all be coming up and looking rather beautiful. So as I say, some of the furniture still hasn't been finished, there's work in progress, but we're going to first of all have a look along the front of the house, and we can see that it has both entrance steps, electronic gateway, and it's got this concrete drive, and then on the request of we built a very large carport. It's got its own storage area, lock-up room for tools. And as we come through here, we can show you a very well-equipped laundry room. Nice washer dryers, sinks, and a I.O. Smith water heater. And then we proceed into the kitchen area. And the maid is here at the moment. She's cleaning because the clients left the other day. And as you can see, it's got a stunning granite kitchen countertop. We're still waiting for the oven to be delivered. Fridge, freezer, microwave, air conditioning in all the rooms. Twin bottle fridges. And this area here, this is an outdoor dining area with an outdoor kitchen and barbecue, which is rather beautiful. And the clients supplied their own ceiling fans, which are rather magnificent. I do like these ceiling fans a lot. So this is the large living area, the massive flat screen TV, and then we have this exterior terrace that opens up. Sorry. Open the door. And so again, we've got ocean views from the front side, but the back side of this house, overlooking at the houses in the project and the hills beyond. And had all this beautiful travertine marble put down on the floor, as you can see, which is rather fantastic. I love it a lot. And we've got workmen still here just doing some stuff. This is an artist that is fitting these beautiful wooden pieces of art, and he's putting these together. He makes all these by hand, look, so you can see him working there, and he's putting this stuff, so he's very clever. And then downstairs is, they're still fitting, Maria's here. This is a bedroom suite downstairs, which is twin beds, aircon, TV. And then we move forward to the bathroom, which has all the normal sorts of things which I'm not going to point out. Rain soaker head shower, twin basins, and again this beautiful travertine marble. This one was done slightly different tone. Not everything we want the same, so it looks rather beautiful. And then we have a store cupboard there with stuff in it, so as you can see, you walk out of your house, these sliding doors, and what a view. Quite incredible. Beautiful. We come on to the second floor now, and you can see there's a beautiful stainless steel banister, and they're fitting this piece of art on the wall down there. So as we come through into the hallway, this area here on our left where we've got all this beautiful river pebbles is going to have all pots here with flowers and plants. It's another great view. Really, really nice to be out here and see all the plants and stuff. And then we've got a nice new terrace here that we built. Again, this opens up onto the master bedroom suite. Look at the views again from up here, really nice. And again, we planted all these troughs with flowers, and they're going to put some more planter pots on here, and we're going to have irrigation system on there. Planted up the roof of the pergola and the roof of the garage, just to make it beautiful. And then we've put in this beautiful jacuzzi, which is rather fantastic. It's got a heater as well. And then we're going to walk down into the master suite, and the master suite's got all these closets that run both sides, and the bed hasn't been made, but we've got this beautiful wooden wall and these lovely wall lights. Air conditioning again in every room. It's a smart house as well. And then we have the master bathroom, and it's got its own bathtub, and then it's got a huge walk-in shower with a soaker head and another attachment. And like all bathrooms, there's twin basins, and then there's a separate toilet in there, and then this area here we're going to put all the shelves and finish it off. So it's a little bit left to do, not a lot, just a little bit of finishing. And then out here, and I haven't got the key rather, there's a very large terrace area for people to enjoy. So it's a beautiful house, and I too can build you one like this. So just get in touch with me, and you too can have a wonderful luxury house. I've actually got some lots next door where I can build the same house on, or a similar house, because we don't really like building the same houses for everybody. So I'm going to sign off. It's a beautiful day. Bye bye.